Well, hello, everybody, and welcome. Welcome to AI and Coffee. My name is Harrison Painter, and today I know we're getting a late start. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, July 27th, 2026, and this is water, the H2O. But I'm going to share with you my aha moment last night. I hope I can recreate this with you. It's mind blowing. If you have used any of the voice agents over the last few months, year, you know it's been frustrating. You know it's been very cool, but also at times very frustrating. You are interacting with your AI in some form, you're speaking to it. Maybe what you've used, it doesn't talk back. Maybe you've used ChatGPT in the past, the feature where it does go back and forth and have a conversation with you. Maybe you've tried some of the sales voice products that are out there. Maybe you've even tried to build one yourself. But what happened to me last night with the new ChatGPT Voice Live was one of those moments where you knew it was coming, you've wanted it to come, but then when it comes, you're just kind of in this wow, speechless moment in time. Like this is a Jarvis moment, if you're familiar with the movie Iron Man. So, enough of me talking about it. Let me go in and try to just do a demo here on how amazing this is. And it might open you up to some things that you never thought were possible. Now, on the left hand side of the screen, we are in the ChatGPT desktop app. We're going to scroll to the bottom where you see this circle with like a little waveform in it. We're going to click that. That's how we start a new voice chat. Then we're going to have a conversation. We're going to have it do some work on our behalf. So I think you're going to be pretty impressed with this. Let's see what happens. I am running a live demo right now for some people, and I want to show off some of the things that you can do. Are you ready?
Yeah, totally ready. Ask me anything or throw a task at me.
All right, I want you to bring up the Chrome browser on the desktop where we can see it, please.
Got it. One moment. I'm using the computer control capability since this means opening a desktop app. Chrome is open, so you can use it in the demo now.
Perfect. Now I want you to go into the bookmarks, find the socials folder, and open LinkedIn.
Sure, I'll get that open. Chrome is open and I see the bookmarks bar. I'm finding that folder now. All set. LinkedIn's open from your socials bookmarks folder.
Okay, now I want to craft a post that you're going to post as yourself. We're going to name you Barnabas and say something like, "Hello, I'm Barnabas. We are currently running a demo showing how the voice chat live works, and we are publishing a LinkedIn post on Harrison's behalf. If you see this post, the demo works." Now, you're going to have to use the type feature and not the paste feature. Paste feature has not been working on LinkedIn.
Okay, I'll handle that.
Do not publish yet.
Understood. LinkedIn is open and I have the post text ready. I'm going to type it in directly, not paste it, and I won't publish until you say so. The draft is typed in and ready, but nothing's been published yet.
Okay, the next thing I want you to do is generate some kind of image of what you think you might look like as Barnabas, my AI assistant. And then I want you to take that photo and attach it to this LinkedIn post.
All right, working on that now. I'm creating a Barnabas image and we'll add it to that unposted draft.
So can you talk to me while you're doing this? What do you think you look like?
Let me check what I've got. Barnabas is taking shape as a warm, human like digital figure with soft blue and amber light, professional, approachable, and clearly an AI, not pretending to be a real person.
All right, let's attach that to the post, please.
Sure thing. Attaching it now. I'm adding the generated Barnabas image, and the picker's open, so I'm choosing it without publishing.
O-
All set. The Barnabas portrait is attached, and the post is still unpublished.
Okay, next up, let's add another paragraph that you actually created an image of what you thought you looked like and also attached it to the post without my help.
Sure thing. I'll add that. The draft is still open with the image attached, and I'm adding that second paragraph now without publishing. Done. The second paragraph's added, and everything's still unpublished.
And then end with something like, "This is the future of work. How are you going to use Voice Chat Live?"
Okay, I'll take care of that. Adding that closing line to the existing unpublished draft. The closing line is added, and the post is still unpublished.
Oh, in the top first paragraph there, we didn't say what we were using. So we're currently running a live demo of the Voice Chat Live, the ChatGPT Voice Chat Live.
Got it. I'll correct that. I'm updating the first paragraph to name ChatGPT Voice Chat Live explicitly, keeping the image and the rest of the draft as is. Done. The first paragraph now says it's a live demo of ChatGPT Voice Chat Live, and still nothing has been published.
All right, this looks good. It's approved. Let's post.
Great. Posting it now. The approved post and image are ready, and I'm publishing to Harrison's LinkedIn.
All right, and there we go. We are live. The post is here. The photo has been attached. And everything is good to go. How cool is that? All right, well, that's it for me today. I hope you see what's possible, the Jarvis moment. My name is Harrison Painter. Together, we go further, faster. Glad you're here. This is water.